WPS. Quickly convert text to tables and tables to text. In a Word document, sometimes you need to turn content into a table. Usually we create a table first, then input the content one by one. Today, I will give you some tips on how to convert text directly into a table. It should be noted that only sections with the same separator can be converted directly into tables. Using the following document as an example, you can see the text is separated by commas. First hit Ctrl+A to select the entire content of the document. Click on the Insert menu bar and find the Table button. Select Convert Text to Table from the drop-down menu. Then find Separate Text At in the pop-up dialog box. We just mentioned that the text is separated by commas. Therefore, select Commas here and modify the number of rows and columns. Then click OK. In this way, you can quickly convert your text into a table. The same is true if you need to convert the content of the table into text. First select anything in the table, then click Insert, Table and Convert Table to Text. Set the text separator you need and click OK. Then the table will automatically be converted into text.